that'll get a hole. Oh, this is recording. So we're eating right now, and here, let me show you the food. Let me just flip the camera. Hold on.
Never been to Denny's.
So we're just having the leftover IHOP from yesterday, which is mostly pancake.
Oh.
But yeah, we have to get out of here in an hour because they're gonna get angry. Right now we're just packing up all the stuff. Then we're gonna leave at 10 because they're gonna kick us out. And then, yeah, we're gonna go to Sedona, do Bell Rock. I already said all that, so. Here we are at Sedona. We're just kind of driving around, getting to the restaurant right now to eat lunch.
Say we went to the hotel.
But no, I didn't. Yeah, there's the red dirt. Okay, so we're gonna go to the restaurant, eat lunch, and then I think we're gonna hike Bell Rock. I think Bell Rock is actually on that side. No. Oh no, it's straight ahead. That's Bell Rock. There. Oh my gosh, that looks like the Toy Story thing.
Check this out. I'll meet you there.
We just got seated. Here's our food.
It's gonna be.
Yeah, we have two different pizzas. There's cheese, and then there's also cheese bread. And I'm not sure what type of pizza that is. Okay, so we're all enjoying our food. So you might be able to see this, but there's Snoopy Rock up there. It's Snoopy lying on his back.
That is that.
Here's a better view. Well, we're just passing by Bell Rock, but our hotel is like right across the street from it, so. Here we are in the hotel.
We're in the elevator.
Yeah, we're in the elevator right now, but we're gonna go up to our room, drop all our bags off, and then we're gonna go hiking.
And we're accompanied by Sam Smith.
Freedom. This is really nice. Whoa. Well, okay, so we're gonna leave the hotel now and head to Bell Rock. We're gonna go hiking. Yes!
What if you booked a hotel, or like all the rooms in the hotel, but then you didn't stay in any of them? So then basically there's just no one.
I like how I'm just in the corner of the screen.
Yeah. Then no one can stay here.
But won't you like have to pay a lot and then
You'd
you'll get
have
a
to pay
fee?
a lot, but no one would stay here.
Yeah. Nice decorations. Are you a...
The sequel explains it. The Shining.
So here we are at Bell Rock.
Okay, so
Mama's just staring me down.
You get a picture.
So yeah, there it
Oh wait.
is.
Don't bust
That's
the
not
shot.
just dirt. It's alive!
It's still alive!
Oh yeah, go watch our beetle video. Oh my god. So we're getting closer. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Oh, again.
My hands are dirty.
Yeah. Pretty view. Well, at the moment, we're just kind of going around the whole thing. We actually don't know where the trail went. There's no markers or anything. So yeah, we're trying to find a way up. We actually have no idea where the heck we're going though. So yeah. Look at the view from this side. Okay, so we found the way we're supposed to go. We're supposed to follow these little rack things of rocks. Yeah. I don't know why we didn't go this way originally, but yeah, let's go.
So we found the new way to do Bell Rock. We're supposed to go straight up, not around. Although it's the things are a little hidden, the cages. So. Do you see any cages up there?
Yeah, there's one there. Just keep going up.
Yeah, there's one there.
Go up. Like,
So.
what do they have this here? Just bear crawl. Okay.
Are you serious?
Be careful on this first rock.
Here, you wanna go?
Just bear crawl, Mom.
Do you need a hand?
Okay, so now we're gonna continue to go up. Let's go. Enzo is channeling his inner Zen.
No, I would Jedi.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that's the exact same bush.
That's where the bird.
Aww. This is where the bird was in the last season.
Oh my gosh. This is the exact bush.
Yes, let's go. Come on.
Don't touch her.
I'm not.
Watch out. Okay, just.
Oh, he's hurt.
Oh my gosh.
Did
We
it.
got to the top. That's the top.
This is
Oh
the
my gosh.
Bell Rock.
This is awesome.
Oh
Look
my, we got
how high we are.
double.
Well, we got up. So now the hard part is getting
Getting
back
down.
down.
We got like double.
Yeah, so. Okay, so we're heading down now. We kind of have to crab walk and everything. Going up is a lot more easier than going down because we're just sliding. So we're attempting to go down the face of this. Damn. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun.
One leg out, one leg fat, like that.
Okay, that was awesome. That was a lot easier than it looked.
Hi, Mom.
Hi. Kind of have to crab walk everything.
It's kind of funny watching everyone.
Yeah. It is. Oh my gosh.
People are also
Yes.
acknowledging it.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not heavy. They just kick them.
Oh.
So like that, right? The big right thing. That's what we got.
So right now we're heading to a Christmas thing with decorations. Yeah, you can't see my face, but I think Ed's already said that. But yeah, we're going to a Christmas place and then we're gonna, I think, eat dinner and go back to the hotel. We're at the Christmas place. So there's a train that you ride to see Santa. And I think we're not doing that. We're just going to walk around and look at the decorations and lights.
Condor standing on the ground in the back.
Right now we are heading to a Mesa grill for dinner. And okay. I don't know. I couldn't tell what you guys had. Mesa. So I can't really record, but we're unpacking our stuff. Bye-bye. The heck is on TV?
That's that toy thing.
Blue.
Oh. We're finally gonna head to a restaurant. We have a 7 o'clock reservation at the Mesa Grill. Okay, so we just got seated and we're looking at the menu and we're gonna order some. Okay, so we just got our food. This looks really good. I got some steak. Yeah. This is the first time I've had steak in a restaurant, so.
Are those mushrooms?
Yeah, easy. So everyone's enjoying their food right now. It's really good.
Picture of Mesa Grill.
Yeah, you can't really see it, but the stars are, there's a lot of stars in the sky. You can never see them in Michigan because there's so much light pollution. So we're
But there's a bunch
So we're-
of other.
so we're gonna head back to the hotel now. So here we are, we're back at the hotel, and now we're gonna go up to our room, and I think we're gonna just.
Which one is this? That's
Oh yeah, we're not doing much. We're just gonna we're gonna take a shower. Then I think we're gonna call it a night. Good night.